Hits that one to deep left center field. Matt Chapman, it is gone. That one, his 4th home run of the year. It's 1-0 Giants.
Gets barrel right to that baseball and drives it out of here. 109 off the bat.
Woo. That ball is smoked. Headed for downtown. Upper deck. Adios, pelota. 5-1 Giants. What a shot.
High and deep into center field. And it is out of here.
And every once in a while he does that.
In third, as he skies this one. Hit well to right. And it is out of here.
La pelota se está elevando. ¡Oh, oh! Para David Villar, su primero de la temporada. Y ahora los Gigantes están ganando 3-1.
High drive to left, and you can forget about it. Way gone.
Bailey to deep right field, and Patrick Bailey's going to watch it. It is gone off the scoreboard. Just a booming home run. His 5th of the year. Wow. 6-4 Cubs.
Elevado profundo al central. Doyle está buscando. La pelota se fue de cuadrangular. Tyler Fitzgerald, su segundo cuadrangular en días consecutivos.
Drive to right. Down the line. It is out of here. And the Giants take a 2-0 lead.
High in the air, deep right field, and now the Giants have gone back-to-back. A long homer off the bat of Wade. So the Braves went back-to-back in the 2nd. The Giants do it here in the 5th, and we are tied.
Ramos to center field. Leday back and gone! Up off the hitter's backdrop, Heliot Ramos. A monstrous home run. My goodness, did he crush that one. 448 feet. Replay decision. Soler to deep center field. Wow, he hit that hard. Doyle is watching it into the trees almost. What a home run to start the game for Jorge Soler.
That right there puts a big smile on your face, and the Giants getting going early.